How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today we're in the garage doing some work on the Golf. Briefly mentioned that we're taking the Miata to a track day coming up this week. Today's Saturday, so I'm doing some prep. That'll be in another video that goes out on Wednesday. But on Tuesday, we will be taking the Miata to the track to release that video the following weekend. So super excited about that. But today we have a very much needed, long awaited modification for the Mk7 GTI. So right here behind door number 1 is a new intercooler. This is the ECS tuning. I think it's cast aluminum. I'm not positive on that, but it is our new intercooler. So the Golf has been on stage 2 for quite a while now, and I haven't had an intercooler. Through winter, it's not a huge deal, but when it gets really hot in Texas, you can tell things start to get a little sluggish, and I'm sure the timing changes and all that. So this is much needed. It's a really nice piece. I've had it for a little bit now, just been waiting for time to get it installed. All the mounting should match up fine. It should be a pretty straightforward install, although it does take a while to do. I've heard that at least, but so here it is. It's definitely bigger than stock. Should help to release some more horsepower out of our tune and all of that. So we are just going to get ready to install this. And I guess the hardest part about all this is you have to essentially take off the whole front end. So bumper, it's not a front mount intercooler because I have the little radar sensor in the front. So bumper off, headlights off, and got to get the core support out and all that stuff. I'm going to do my best to film this in a cohesive manner. This is not a how-to. If you do want a more dedicated how-to step-by-step video, there will be a link, I think, up here and also down below for the Dad Wagon channel. He made a video on installing an intercooler in his Mk7 All-Track. Super cool car. Go check out his channel. So I'm gonna take a look at his video and pull some instructions up on the web and just get to work on this thing. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set you guys down. We're gonna get the car up on front jack stands and just get going on it, I guess. So here we go. So this is truly a big pain to do by yourself, but look at all this junk that I pulled out from the radiator. Crazy. But we've got our AC condenser right over here, all this other stuff that we had to take off, and then right here we have our new and old intercooler. So you can see it's much thicker, probably 25 to 50% more, at least like the core of it, but everything else pretty much identical. I'm hoping that this fits up really easily. We'll see. A lot of different intercoolers out there and they all have their own little quirks, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna transfer over the stuff from our OEM unit to our new unit, like these yellow clips and everything, and then we'll start putting it back together into the car. I'll let you know once the intercooler is at least in, not fully installed, but at least mounted. All right, intercooler is in. It fit in really well, actually, no issues. So that was good. Tabs are all in with our little support, and now we need to put our AC condenser back in, and I might have done it a little bit backwards. I'll have to double check, but yeah, so I'm gonna just keep putting all this together. I'll update you like before the bumper goes on. You guys saw me take it apart, so I'm not gonna show you everything going back together, but yeah, movie magic, here we go, next clip. The front crash bar, core support, all of that is back together. So we are on the home stretch now, guys. You'll never be able to see the intercooler, it's just right there. You'll just have to imagine it behind the nasty AC condenser, but it's in there. Headlights in, bumper is about to go back on. So then intake and all that. I took the intake out because I went and got a DSG service and they didn't install it the exact way that I wanted them to, at least how I did it. It was flopping all over the place, so put that back on just in case you guys were curious. And then we'll wrap this up. Bumper is on. All right, car is back on the ground. As I said, nothing to see. You can't really see anything in the intercooler, but this is one upgrade that has been much needed for this car since we got the tune. I don't know why I put it off, but hoping we'll have some good results. I'm not gonna drive it out in this video or tonight, so we'll see how it goes tomorrow. So it's hard to say how long this took me by myself. I would probably guess close to 5 hours, honestly. Just, I stopped, I'd take breaks, and yeah, so it takes a long time, but you can do it at home by yourself. The ECS tuning intercooler at least was very, like, it fit very well without, I didn't have to trim anything or do anything like that. So if you have one that doesn't fit very well, you might have to spend a little bit more time and getting it to fit. And with that, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go inside and relax. I am so tired. So be sure you guys stay tuned for the track prep video and the track day video. Both of those should be coming out this week, Wednesday and Sunday. So get excited for that. I'm excited to take the Miata out and go for a drive. And I think after that, we're gonna have to try and get this thing out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.